Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and supportgoogle.com. Our question for today is, when will I get paid from the Shorts Fund? Qualifying creators with a linked AdSense account can expect to receive payment 4 to 6 weeks from the time they claim the bonus. If you don't have an AdSense account linked to your channel, you will be asked to sign up for AdSense or link an existing account. To understand more, here's an example of how it could work. This is the explanation of YouTube and how we can get the Shorts Fund. January, a creator's new and existing Shorts account towards channel performance for a payment from the Shorts Fund in February. Then, early February, YouTube reviews Shorts channel performance for January and tells qualifying creators that they qualify for a bonus payment. On 25th of February or every 25th of the month, qualifying creators claim their bonus or it may expire. After March to early April, AdSense issue February bonus payment to creators whose AdSense account are set up to receive payment. Channels that need to create an AdSense account may take longer to receive payment. The amount of time depends on how quick the AdSense account is approved and payment details are set up. This process may take several months and includes the following. Number 1. Submitting tax info. Number 2. Confirming personal details. And number 3. Indicating a form of payment. Once setup is complete, payment is made from AdSense between 21st and 26th of the month. Note, the month that is written in these videos are just an example, so it depends on the month you apply for Shorts Fund. These are the reference of this video from Google search and googlesupport.com. A million thanks to all my channel members. They are Jeneline Mix Vlog, Katoto Kamotur Vlog, Mirasol Idlon TV, Roots Joel, Ganya Official, Anji TV, and Bert Lambujo. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.